Good morning, children. Children, today we are going to read about some of the animals. So, children, we keep some of the animals for various uses, for various purposes. Children, we keep some of the animals for its food items as we get milk, meat, eggs, honey from some animals. So, we keep these animals. And children, some animals carry loads. So we keep these type of animals for uh, carrying loads and for this purpose. We keep some of the animals for transportation purpose. And children, some animals give us wool. And we get threads like silk for clothes from some types of insects. So these are very useful for us children. In this picture, you can see a buffalo. Children, why do we keep buffalo? A buffalo is kept for its milk. And children, milk is an essential part of our food, and we should take milk daily. Now, in the next picture, you can see a cow. So, children, a cow gives us its health, and we should take cow's milk. So, cow gives us milk. In the next picture, you can see a goat. A goat is kept for its milk, and its milk is very nutritious. And its milk is also used in some medicines also. So it has medicinal use. So children, can you identify these animals? Yes, children. These are sheep. So children, these are kept for its wool. And wool is very important. In winter season, we wear warm clothes, and some of them are made of wool. And it's very important for us children. Now children, you can see a hen. A hen lay eggs, and eggs are very important for our health. It is the very important part of our daily food. We should take an egg daily, children. We also get meat from a cock. Now in this picture children, you can see a horse. A horse runs very fast. It is faster than any other animal. So it is kept for riding. Have you enjoyed the riding of a horse, children? So children, it is kept for transportation purpose. And now, can you identify this animal, children? It's none other than a donkey. So children, we call them ass also. Children, a donkey is very important. A donkey is a very hard-working animal, children. And it is very useful for us, children. It carries heavy loads, children. And it's very hard-working. That's why in some part of the country, you may see many donkeys for carrying loads and for this such type of purpose. You can see some items on the back of a donkey. Children, now you can see in this picture, there is a donkey and two children are trying to pull the donkey. And children, sometimes we beat some animals. Is it good? Is it good to beat the animals? To wallop them? No. It is very wrong, children. We should not beat animals. In this picture, you can see a person is beating the animal, and it is not good, children. We should not beat any animals. We should love them. We should take care of any animals that we keep at our houses, so that they will also love us. And children, you know, the animals follow us. If we love them, they will follow us, they will obey us. Children, today we will recite the poem The Donkey. Children, I hope that all of you have seen a donkey. A donkey is very useful animal, as we have talked earlier, children. And children, it is used for carrying loads as well as for riding. So children, in this picture you can see there is a small boy and who is loving the donkey, and he is giving some corn and a little hay also, children. So children, let's enjoy this poem with reciting it. So children, please recite this poem with me. Children, this poem is written by Margaret S. Russell. So let's start and enjoy. If I had a donkey and he would not go, would I wallop him? No, no, no. I'd find a little hay and give him some corn. Then he'd be the best donkey that ever was born. Children, recite this poem. Let's recite this poem once again. If I had a donkey and he wouldn't go, would I wallop him? No, no, no. I'd find a little hay and give him some corn. Then he'd be the best donkey that ever was born. Children, you know the meaning of wallop. Wallop means to beat badly, and it's very wrong, very bad. And you know the meaning of hay. Hay means dry grass. And you all know now familiar with corn. Corn is a seed, children, and it is a cereal and we used to eat. So let's recite this poem once again. If I had a donkey and he wouldn't go, would I wallop him? No, no, no. I would find a little hay and give him some corn. Then he'd be the best donkey that ever was born. That ever was born. So children, in this poem, you can read that a very little boy has a donkey. He had a donkey, children. And children, on some day, he refused to go somewhere. So, he said that, would I wallop him? No. And children, you can see the wisery of a very little children, and he is very kind in this matter, children. What he did, he found some little hay and he also brought some corn. And children, he gave it to his dear donkey. And children, the donkey ate it. And children, he was very happy now, and he was ready now to go somewhere. And children, now he became the best donkey that ever was born. So children, if you want to make your animals very happy, and if you want that your animals would follow you, so children, you will have to love your animals. You will have to take care of animals so that they will follow you and they will be happy with you all. So children, if you have any animal, treat them properly. Treat them with love and care. That's all. Thank you, children.